Morning students, இன்னைக்கு 7th standard social science revision half yearly exam உடைய revision history lesson 1. Choose the correct answer. Dash are the writings engraved on solid surfaces such as rocks, stones, temple walls and metals. Answer inscriptions. Dash was the land gifted to temples. Answer Devadana. Dash period was known as the period of devotional literature. Answer Chola. Dash provides information about the first Sultan of Delhi. Tajul Masir. Dash an Arab-born Morocco scholar travelled from Morocco to India. Ibn Battuta. Filling the blanks. Uttaramerur inscription provide details about administration in a Brahmadeya village. Muhammad Ghori had stamped the figure of goddess Lakshmi on his gold coins and had his name inscribed on it. 3.6 grains of silver amounted to a jittal. Minhaj-us-Siraj was patronized by Sultan Nasruddin Muhammad of slave dynasty. An Italian traveller, Niccolo Conti visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. Match the following. Khajuraho, answer Madhya Pradesh. Konark, Odisha. Dilwara, Rajasthan. Virupaksha, Hampi. Say true or false. Pallichandam was the land donated to Jaina institution. True. The composition of metal coins gives us information on the political condition of the empire. False. The high cost of copper made palm leaf and paper cheaper alternatives for recording royal orders and the high cost of copper made palm leaf and paper cheaper alternatives for recording royal orders and events in royal court. True. Domingo Paes, a Portuguese traveller, visited the Chola Empire in 1522. False. Question answer. Who compiled Nalayira Divya Prabandham? Nadamuni. What does the word tusk mean? What does the word tusk mean? Autobiography. Name Jahangir's memoir. Tusk-i-Jahangiri. Name the two different types of sources for the study of history. Primary sources, secondary sources. Answer grid. Dash was the courtier of Emperor Aurangzeb, Kasi Khan. Dash was the land for the maintenance of the school, Shala Bhoga. Dash is an Arabic word meaning history, Tariq. Tiruvalangadu copper plate belonged to Rajendra Chola I. Dash compiled Periya Puranam, secular. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri in the south. Detailed question. Describe the different types of coins introduced by the rulers of Delhi Sultanate. Copper jittals are available for the study of the period of the Delhi Sultans. Silver danka introduced by Iltutmish. Alauddin Khilji's gold coins. Muhammad bin Tughlaq's copper token currency are indicative of coinage as well as the economic prosperity or otherwise of the country of the time.